I think it's just about the structures between individuals and dynamics.
Like Facebook and Twitter and things like that?
I have no idea.
Network between people in a social context?
Here we talk about social networks as links of communication within organizations and information flow and knowledge management.
Thank you.
The perspective of the sociological view of networks to be a node and social ties between nodes. So a group of nodes and ties between them. There are other views of networks that, particularly the idea of a network as being only existing where all nodes are connected. A lot of people consider a network to be such. Another way to look at networks is actually of the entire population, take an entire population and then define a connection however you like, and in which case you might have many components, but that would still be one single network with many components that are not connected. So it's two fundamentally different ways of looking at networks, and that's quite an important distinction when it comes to how you're going to go ahead and analyse the network.
Communicating with other people conveniently.
Communicate with each other.
Networking and social networks. Seldom, when young people and even in middle-aged people, when they talk about social networking, they're talking about sharing information using social media and networks with each other. But social networks, it's evolved from mathematical sociology, where it's about understanding performance and group interactions and group behavior. So it's a disciplined inquiry to understand how the group structures work, how individuals interconnect with each other, and how those interconnectivity have impact on performance outcome. You could do it from a micro level analysis to all the way to macro. So you could have 10 actors to 100 actors, and it does require quite a very strong statistical, computational, mathematical skills on top of social and behavioral science to understand networks and its impact on group behavior and performance outcome.